Hari Om. Today I am going to discuss few solutions for the problem faced while using Google Forms. So let's start. If you are facing problem related to file uploading, then firstly you should check whether you are signed into your Google Drive with the same account from which you are giving your test. If you are logged in to your Google account, then you will see a page just like this shown here. Next, if you are facing a problem like low on memory or it's showing a pop-up like this as shown on your screen, it means there are lot of browser cache file stored on your device and you need to clear it. You should frequently clean browsing history, cache files and browsing cookies to keep your system safe from threats and release memory. For this you have to go to your browser settings, then click on privacy and security, then click on clear browsing data and then click on advanced tab. Now you have to click on cached images, browsing cookies and browsing history. Other check marks are optional. Now click on clear data. It will take few seconds. After clearing, your problem will be solved. If the file which you are uploading freezes and the uploading process is not moving ahead like this, for that there are only two possible solutions. First, you should wait for the uploading process as it totally depends upon your internet speed. Because it firstly upload the file on your Google Drive, then it uploads on Google Form. So you should wait for it. And if it doesn't move at all, you can try the second method by clearing Google Drive cache data. This problem mainly happens in mobile phones, so what you have to do is go to Google Drive app info, then click on storage usage, then click on clear cache, and it's all done. If after uploading a file the question is still demanding for an answer, you can simply write there file uploaded. This is because the teacher has marked the question as mandatory. Now I will tell you how to upload multiple files for a single question. So click on add file, then click on select file from your device, then select your desired file and click open. Now click on add more files, then select your second file. By this way you can upload multiple files one by one. As you all can see that my internet connectivity was good, so the uploading process did not took much time. When the uploading process is completed, you can simply submit the form and your response will be recorded. Last but the biggest one, internet connectivity. It has no solution, which means it can't be resolved, but you can try switching to any other network operator. This might help. Thank you for watching it till the end. Thank you.